Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Realme phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to solve guys keyboard lag problem on Realme phones guys, on Realme phone device. Friends, you want to fix your keyboard lag problem, by how to fix and how to solve keyboard lag problem. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, search here app setting guys, app management setting we will search here. As you can see, app permission setting, app install setting, app management, app list. Direct friends, you can click app list setting also, and friends click on app list setting, and guys wait here for 5 and 7 seconds. Then friends scroll it, and friends click on Gboard setting guys, G. Gboard setting friends, click here, friends click on storage setting, and friends click on clear data, and friends first clear cache, then clear data. After clear data friends, now come back friends, now you can use friends your Realme phone keyboard setting without lag problem friends, you can use it. And friends click on three dot, and got it friends. You want to set any theme on your keyboard, so you can set theme, apply here. Friends, this theme will set on your keyboard. Friends, you want to on your one hand mode keyboard setting, so you can use guys your one hand mode keyboard setting on your Realme phone. And friends, you want to use your floating keyboard, so you can use it. So friends, we will click on floating, we will off, click here. And friends, you want to change your keyboard theme, so again click here. Friends, you want to set any photo on your keyboard, so when you can select photo also. Next here friends, you can increase and decrease brightness, done option, apply. So when this photo is set on your keyboard, so like that friends, you can solve your keyboard lag problem. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.